In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install WPS Office on Windows 10 step by step. To get started, open your preferred web browser on your Windows 10 computer. Once your browser is open, go to the official WPS Office website. This is the safest place to download the software, and it helps you avoid unofficial installers or outdated files. When the website loads, look for the free download button. Click it to begin downloading the Windows installer for WPS Office. After the download finishes, open your downloads folder so you can locate the setup file. In most cases, the installer will appear there automatically unless your browser is set to save downloads somewhere else. Once you find the WPS Office setup file, double-click it to open the installer. If Windows shows a user account control prompt asking whether you want to allow this app to make changes to your device, click Yes. This is a normal security step in Windows and is required for the installation to continue. When the installer opens, you may be asked to read and accept the license agreement. Take a moment to review it if you want, then accept it to move forward. After that, click Install. At this point, WPS Office will begin downloading and installing the files it needs. This can take a few minutes, so just let it run without closing the window. The exact time will depend on your internet speed and your computer's performance, so don't worry if it takes a little longer on some systems. Once the installation is complete, you should see an option such as Start Now, Open, or Finish. Click that button to launch WPS Office. In many cases, the program will open automatically right after installation. When it starts, you may be given the option to sign in or create a WPS account. If you want features like document syncing and cloud access, you can sign in or create an account. If you only want to use the basic features right away, you can skip that step and continue. Now you're ready to start using WPS Office. From the main screen, choose the app you need. Writer is used for documents, Spreadsheets is for Excel-compatible files, Presentation is for slide decks, and PDF is for viewing and editing PDF files. Once you select the app you want, you can either create a new file or open an existing one. That's it. WPS Office is now installed on your Windows 10 PC and ready to use.